This story is called Lots of Love, written by Kim Washburn, illustrated by Jacqueline East. Good morning, beaming sun. I feel your radiant shine. Your warm light brightens up my face and starts the day out fine. Good morning, happy heart. I feel your cheerful beat. Today, I'm sharing lots of love with everyone I meet. Look who's here to love me with kissy, tickly licks. I scratch and pet his furry head and throw him fetching sticks. It's time to give some love back to more four-legged friends. With wagging tails and happy hearts, the kissing never ends. Mommy hugs me tightly and cuddles me right up, then whispers softly in my ear that I'm her buttercup. Time to share those cozy hugs and pass them on to others. An easy squeeze to sister and big bear hugs to my brothers. Daddy drives me to my school and lends a helping hand, lifting here and fixing there like only Daddy can. Once inside my classroom, there's lots that I can do. I clean up clay, put paint away. I like to help out too. Sitting with my best friends, we laugh and talk and play. I want to share some kindness with all the words I say. There's others' way to show I care, a game, a snack, a smile, or even just some quiet time to sit with them a while. In art class, we make sweet cards. With glitter and some glue, I make my big heart sparkle and write from me to you. I'm grateful for my teacher, and now I'm pretty sure that she could use some loving, so I give my heart to her. I come home empty-handed, no glitter and no glue, but that's not going to stop me from saying, I love you. God fills my life with blessings. He loves me through and through. My heart is overflowing, and I want to show love too. I climb in bed for tuck-in. This day has been the best. I got love, and I gave it too. And now it's time to rest. So good night, glowing moon that shines from up above. Even nights seem brighter when we all live in love. Celebrate all the ways we show love, from hugs and kisses to sharing and helping others. Thanks for reading with us.